SARS CoV-2 Isothermal Amplification Detection Kit Isothermal Colorimetric Assay. It is used for the detection of novel coronavirus, SARS CoV-2, nucleic acid in the sample. SARS CoV-2 Isothermal Amplification Detection Kit Product Instruction. SARS CoV-2 Isothermal Amplification Reaction Tube. Throat swab preservation tube. Sample collection. Take a throat swab. Simultaneously wipe bilateral pharyngeal tonsils and posterior pharyngeal wall with throat swab. Immerse the throat swab in the preservation solution tube. Rotate the swab back and forth several times, break the swab, discard the tail, and tighten the tube cover. Sample pretreatment. Place the preservation tube of the collected sample in the metal bath, 95 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the thermal inactivation, take out the preservation tube and place it on the centrifugal pipe rack. Reagent preparation. According to the number of samples to be tested, take out the certain number of reaction tubes and place them in the centrifugal pipe rack for use. Sample addition. Add 20 ml sample liquid in throat swab preservation tube to the reaction tube. Cover the tube cover. Gently flick the tube with your index finger for 2 to 3 times. Mix and centrifuge for 1 to 2 seconds. Amplification reaction. Put the reaction tube into the metal bath at temperature of 65 degrees Celsius immediately, and react for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take out the reaction tube and observe the color change of each reaction tube. Result determination. Red indicates that SARS CoV-2 virus is negative. Yellow indicates that SARS CoV-2 virus is positive. The used test cassette should be discarded according to federal, state, and local regulations.